Ever wondered how Genghis Khan, a name often linked with conquest, managed to build one of the largest empires in history? It wasn't just about military might. A huge part of his success was his revolutionary approach to governing, something many leaders today could still learn from. Let's dive into the genius behind the Mongol Empire's administration. Before Genghis Khan, the Mongolian steppes were a chaotic patchwork of feuding tribes. Loyalty was fleeting, and leadership was often based on who your father was, not what you could do. Genghis Khan saw that this system was broken. He knew that to unite his people and build something that would last, he needed a new set of rules. Rules based on loyalty, justice, and pure ability. This led to the creation of the Yassa, his legendary secret code of laws. While we don't have the original text, historical accounts tell us it was a comprehensive guide for every aspect of Mongol life. The Yassa wasn't just a list of punishments. It was a blueprint for a unified society. It covered everything from military discipline to property rights, and even environmental protection. For instance, one law forbade polluting rivers and streams, showing a remarkable awareness of nature's importance. Another law demanded absolute loyalty to the Khan, but in return it guaranteed protection and a share of the spoils for all who served him faithfully. Perhaps the most radical idea Genghis Khan introduced was meritocracy. He threw out the old system of aristocratic privilege. It no longer mattered if you were born into a noble family. What mattered was your skill, your courage, and your loyalty. He promoted his generals based on their performance on the battlefield, not their bloodline. Men from humble beginnings, even from conquered tribes, could rise to the highest ranks if they proved their worth. This simple but powerful idea unleashed a torrent of talent. Everyone had a reason to strive for excellence, knowing their efforts would be rewarded. This created an incredibly effective and loyal military and administrative machine. The Yassa also established a new level of order and security across the empire. It made theft and adultery punishable by death, creating a society so safe that it was said a woman carrying a sack of gold could travel from one end of the empire to the other without fear. This unprecedented peace, known as the Pax Mongolica, or Mongol peace, allowed trade and ideas to flourish. Genghis Khan established a postal relay system called the Yam, which was like the internet of its day. Messengers on horseback could travel swiftly across vast distances, carrying information, goods, and official decrees, effectively connecting the East and the West like never before. So, while we often focus on the image of the fearsome warrior, the true legacy of Genghis Khan might be that of a visionary nation-builder. He replaced chaos with order, aristocracy with meritocracy, and division with a unified legal code. He created a system so effective that it not only built an empire, but also fostered a period of unprecedented communication and cultural exchange across continents. His methods show that great leadership is about more than just power. It's about creating a system where everyone has the opportunity to succeed and contribute to a greater vision. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this glimpse into Mongol history interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stories that shaped our world. See you in the next video.